Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you may be. This is gonna be a quick video. I posted a vlog yesterday called, I can't remember, vlog 36, Tox Stop Burping. I have a bit of a bone to pick up with that video. Most of my vlogs, they only tend to get 3 to 4, 5 views, 8 max sometimes. And this vlog came onto a bit of a shock to me. I only uploaded it yesterday, and within the space of 11 hours I got, I think it was 8 views. That's not normal for a small channel like mine. So let me show you, if you can see. That's my vlog. I've got 2 dislikes. What's there to dislike? Is there something in here that's not what you quite expected? Take for granted, the title does say Tox Stop Burping. And Tox did burp. Because I was filming a vlog. Those 2 people, were you expecting burp jokes? Oops, sorry. Were you expecting burp jokes or something? I don't know. What are you expecting? And why does the view keep going up? I don't understand. It's just me rambling on about my dissertation. But I don't get why something like that would be so special to, well, it's not really special if it's just 41 views, is it? No one's liking or anything. Somehow I lost 1 subscriber when that video went out. I don't understand. Maybe it's just some random bot. I don't know. I know bots can subscribe to channels. I look through my subscriptions on YouTube and no one's disappeared. No one has disappeared. Everyone's still there. I know there are a few subscribers that are not visible. I don't know why. Beats me. I think it might be a Google Plus thing. But whoever subscribes and I can't see, it's going to be difficult if I end up making a thank you video. Because I want to do a thank you video at some point, when I probably reach 50, of naming all my subscribers. I just want to thank you all for watching my rubbish, basically. Hopefully this is not going on too long. But yeah, that's that vlog. Why is it gaining so many views? I don't understand. But yeah, whoever unsubscribed, then you're going to miss out a lot of stuff. Because in a couple of weeks I'm going to be finished with my coursework. You're going to miss a lot. Now I've got a few ideas, but I need to work on them before I do anything. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.